The name is Bidina Walker Doings. That. So today, do you know what we are coming to make? We are coming to do baking. And what will be that? Okay, we are coming to make cream butter bread in a Doings way, in Bidina Walker Doings way. I mean, you understand. So let's see. And before we start our baking, someone asked me a question. Bidina, what is the meaning of giving up? And I said, wow. Okay, giving up means to stop trying to do something because it is too difficult, or you feel discouraged, or you surrender something such as possession, right, or even oneself to another power. For example, you might give up on a difficult task by quitting, or you might give up on something. Let's say giving up smoking by abandoning the habit. Example, like you smoke, and example I'm making, and you want to stop, so you abandon that smoking. You understand? Or you see YouTube, how YouTube is so hard, and you have worked so hard on your channel, and because the views are not coming, you want to give up. My sister, my brother, the street is hot. Not every day you will win. So because you are not getting the views, you want to give up. Never give up. Yeah. So never try to give up. You understand? Yeah, because no place is hot. Now I have my butter here. I'm making one portion, so I measure all my ingredients one portion. But after baking, I'll put the ingredient under my description box so that you will see. So I have my butter here. So I'm adding a portion of sugar here. So this is butter and sugar right now. And the next, I have 1 teaspoon of cream, 1 teaspoon of fresh yogurt. So I will add it here. Mixing them together. Here is my vanilla essence. All right, I have 1 egg here. It's not by force to add, but I'm making it in my own way, so you just see how I make my bread. So I'm mixing please forgive me, I'm the one videoing myself, so you don't like what so I'm done with the mixture right now. Adding a pinch of salt to get a taste. Going in with the portion of my milk powder. If you have a liquid milk, you can use. If you have a evaporated milk too, you can also use to make your bread. It all depends on you. Yes. So now I'm going in with my yeast, 1 teaspoon of yeast. So let's mix it. Remember, we have different way of making bread. How I'm making mine and you go to different place is different. Yeah, that's why everyone doesn't cook the same. The name is Bidina Workout Doings. So the next step is my lukewarm water. After, I will put the method and the ingredients. I'll put it in the description box, and also in the comment section I will leave the ingredients there so that you can check out there and try some in the house. You see, mine is different. Yeah, this is my own style of making my butter cream bread roll. So now I'm mixing all them together for the yeast to relax. Yeah. In with my flour, 1 cup of flour, because we are making 1 portion, so I'm using 1 cup of flour. Now I'm mixing it. If you are mixing and you feel like your hands is not clean for you to use, you can wear a gloves, or you can use anything that you feel comfortable. Yeah. Thank you, my beautiful people, for always checking up on me. Please do watch my full video for me. I did beg you. You guys, you know I love you. Yeah, so we are still mixing the dough. Baking. See how I'm relaxing, making my bread dough. Now every day, yeah. The doings. So I'm kneading my bread now. It's so soft, and this is how I love my bread dough. When it's so soft, I just love it. Hey, be still. Reason why I named my bread butter and cream was, as you can see, I added a lot of butter here because I want to taste the butter. I love butter. Honestly, I love butter. Yeah, so I add a lot of butter here. Yeah, and I add fresh yogurt, 1 teaspoon of fresh yogurt, and 2 teaspoons of cream. Yeah, 2 teaspoons of cream. So the butter inside stand for the bread. Yeah. So the ingredients are fresh yogurt, butter, sugar, 1 egg, vanilla essence, my flour, lukewarm water. So the bread is so soft. When it comes to bread dough, I'm perfect. Yeah. Hey, I can create a bread roll. Even in the book of cooking dictionary, you will not find it. I always create my own style. Yeah. See my bread so soft and relaxed. So now I will leave it to cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes to prove and relaxed. Then I will roll it and cut into desirable shape and bake it. When you are kneading your bread, you have to relax so that the bread too will relax. I do you understand? Shake it. Shake. make it so I turn side and side so that it can mix well. You see how I'm turning side and side? It's like I'm pounding fufu. You turn side and side.
Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Just do what you can do. Live your life and work hard, because hard work really, really, really pays. I love you guys.
The bread is already proven, so now I'm coming to roll it and put it in a baking pan and bake it.
We must believe that we are gifted for something, and that this thing, at whatever cost, must be attained. In this life, do what you can where you are with what you have, because if you do what you have always done, you will get what you have always gotten. Because if you can see dreaming, after all, is a form of planning. You may be disappointed if you fail, but you are doomed if you don't try again. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Before I will leave short, remember, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. There is this proverbs I used to say every day. I said, when everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Let me laugh small before I will continue. You see, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. My dear, love what you do. Do not focus on negative vibes. Do what makes you happy, no matter what. Charlie, no hard feelings. Now we there. The name is Bida and I work out doings. My mom used to say that it is not what you do for your children, but what you have taught them to do for themselves that will make them successful human beings. Now Proverbs I dey talk here. I know you have heard it 1,000 times before, but it's true that hard work pays off. If you want to be good, you have to practice. Practice and practice it well. If you don't love something, then don't do it. But for me, this my doings, I dey love. So to tell you, anything that you want to do, do it, because hard work pays. Whoever will tell you that hard work doesn't pay, na lie. The person they lie to you. Charlie, work hard for yourself. Forget about the negative vibes. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Charlie, focus. It is difficult to have confidence and believe in yourself when people do not allow you to be yourself. We are still baking and we are still talking about confidence. Share, don't waste life in fear. When you do something, do it with all your might and confidence. Nothing great can be achieved with fear and doubt. Failing is the process of learning. It helps to grow and know who you are. Rise every fall. This process that boosts confidence gradually. Over the course of your lifetime, don't stop taking steps forward. Failure is inevitable.
This is my free sketch bread. I just create something. Yeah.
Believe in yourself. Have faith in your abilities. Without a humble but reasonable confidence in your own powers, you cannot be successful or happy in yourself.
So I'm coming to egg wash it. So this is egg and milk powder I mixed for my bread dough.
Now thank we all our God
This is my freestyle of my
with
bread I'm
hearts
making.
and hands
Yeah.
and voices.
As I always
Who
say,
wondrous things
everyone
hath
has their way of
done,
cooking
in
to
whom
attract
his
or to
world
get a taste. So
rejoice,
this is my
who
also
from our
my way of
mother's
cooking. Yeah.
arms hath blessed us away. We countless
It's
gifts
good to be
of
you
love,
than to copy
and
someone.
still is ours
Yeah.
today.
And you have to be
Immortal,
proud of yourself no matter what.
invincible, God
Be
only
yourself.
wise, enlighten our senses, but hid from our eyes. Most blessed, most glorious, the ancients of days, almighty, victorious, thy great name
I
we
love how the bread has
praise.
become so soft and relaxed. This is how I
What
want it.
shall I do, my God, to love my life, having God to praise, the length and breadth and height to prove, and depth of savage grace.
The bread to be so nice because too much butter. And how I love it. Too much butter. Maybe you don't like the seed. Yeah, it's not by fault to add seed on top, but I love this kind of seeds. I love eating them. Yeah, it completes the bread. Please, if you are still watching, thank you. Please do watch full video for me, I beg you, so that I can get watch hour, and also for YouTube algorithms to also push my doings. I'm begging you. And do not add. I love you all. So now put it in the oven. So this is my bread. So soft. You see? So soft. The name is Bidana Waka Doings, Bidana Waka Vibes on YouTube. So today we prepare in my own style butter cream bread. And you see how the bread is so. You see? Very simple. And I in my own crafts. I wish I can. It's so hot. Like it's hot.